Wow, it's really bright out here. My eyes are watering a little bit. My eyes are watering. Do you know what that means? If my eyes are watering, that means I'm crying a little bit, but not because I'm sad. I'm crying, but I'm not sad. I'm crying a little bit because it's so bright. So we have a different word for that. We don't say I'm crying. We say my eyes are watering. You know when you cut onions? If you cut onions, sometimes your eyes start watering, right? You're not really crying because you're not sad to cut onions. Unless you love onions and you hate to see onions die, then you might be a little bit sad and you might cry. But if you cut onions and you start crying and you're not sad, then you could say, my eyes are watering. My eyes are watering. It's a very loud airplane up there. I'm just here by my pool. Look at my swimming pool here. Isn't that nice? And my gym above the pool. I just really love being in Thailand. The weather is just perfect. Every day it's perfect. Can you hear that bird? So cool, right? Nice birds, trees, flowers, plants. A swimming pool. I'm just so happy to be here. It's just a great day. Every day is a great day here in Thailand. That's why I love Thailand so much. It's just so awesome. I wonder what that bird looks like. Where is that bird? I can't see the bird, but I can hear the bird. Anyway, just wanted to teach you guys that little phrase, my eyes are watering. So next time you start to cry, but you're not sad, you can say, my eyes are watering a little bit. Okay, hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.